What if I told you that this innocent looking image you are seeing right now contains a secret message? Not encrypted, not password protected, just hidden in plain sight. You can see the image, but not a message hidden in it. Welcome to the world of steganography, the ancient art of hiding information where no one's looking. Hackers, spies, and even malware use it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it's done and you'll try it yourself. Ready to go from curious to covert? Let's dive deep. First, what is steganography? The word steganography comes from Greek word steganos, meaning covered, and graphy means writing. Unlike cryptography, which scrambles data to make it unreadable, steganography hides the data so no one even knows it exists. Think about it, which raises more suspicion. An encrypted file or a picture of a cat. Ancient spies would shave a messenger's head, write messages on it, let the hair grow back, and send them on their way. That's technography. Funny, right? But it is what it is, hiding secrets in plain sight. So, how does it work? In the digital world, steganography works by hiding data within other digital files, most commonly images or audio or even video. In this particular video, we'll concentrate on images, but if you want a tutorial on how to hide messages in audio or even video, just comment below. The most popular method is LSB, least significant bit steganography. Here is how it works. Every image is made up of pixels, and each pixel has value like RGB, red, green, and blue. Each color value is stored as an 8-bit number. So, let's for example, you have the color blue and it has some hex value. Just by changing the last one bit, it doesn't affect the color much, right? But there will be some noise. This will get to know in detection techniques also, right? For now, let's understand how this works. Now, if you change the last bit, the last significant one, the difference is so small that the human eye can't even notice it. So, a hacker can embed a message by tweaking these bits, hiding hundreds of bytes in a single image without anyone noticing. So, getting into the practical demo, hiding data in an image. Now, let's get hands on. We are going to hide a secret message inside our image using a real steganography tool called Steghide. It works on Linux, Windows, and even on Mac. First, prepare your files. What you'll need: a JPG or a BMP image. Just name it cover.jpg, and a text file with your secret. Just create a .txt file and write some secret message in it. The image should be a little large, ideally over 100 KB. You understand it, right? The more size of the image, that means like it should be ideal too. You know, just an image with it is 2 GB, you cannot trust it, right? So like a 2 MB or 1 MB or even 0.5 MB, like 500 KB. If it is of that size, we can be able to hide some data in it. So image should be a little large, ideally over 100 KB. This gives us enough room to hide data. Next, use this command steghide embed -cf cover.jpg and -ef secret.txt. You will be prompted to set a passphrase like here. This ensures that even if someone suspects steganography, they still need a password to extract the data. Boom. Now you have an image that looks just like the original, but now it is carrying a secret message. You can see the difference in the size of the image before and after hiding the file. Now let's try extracting it. Steghide extract sf cover.jpg. Enter the same password phrase, and just like that, your secret.txt is back. No distortion in the image, no visible trace. This is a bonus for you. You can also hide zip files. The bigger the hidden file, the larger your image must be. Right. And next, real world use cases and risks. Steganography isn't just cool, it's used in the real world. Malware authors hide command and control data in Instagram messages. Yeah, they do. But you didn't know till now, right? Spies exchange stego images over public forums, and copyright protection often rely on steganographic principles. This is some legit techniques that is used. But with power comes risk. If misused, technography can become a tool for cybercrime, espionage, or data exfiltration in companies. So, next time you're scrolling through cat pics on Reddit or Instagram, maybe one of them is hiding something far more sinister. Now that you know how it works, it's your turn. Try it, test it, and explore the covered side of cybersecurity. If you want more real world hacking techniques like this one, hit that like and subscribe and drop a comment. Until next time, stay curious and stay hidden.